I'm Gideon.
I'm Fian. In this video, we're going to explain about
Meiji Restoration.
Meiji Restoration is a Japanese political revolution in 1868 that brought about the final demise of the Tokugawa shogunate or military government and also returned control of the country to the direct imperial rule under Mushuhito or the Emperor Meiji.
So what happened with the Meiji Restoration? From 1603 to 1868, Japan was a feudal society with a hierarchy of lords, samurai, and peasants. A military dictator or shogun ruled over everyone. The shogun was a member of the Tokugawa clan, so this time was known as the Tokugawa shogunate. Although Japan also had an emperor hanging around, the emperor had little power. The nation was closed off to foreigners, but in 1867, the 15th Tokugawa shogun resigned, and by 1868, the Meiji Restoration had begun. It was led by a young samurai who saw the need for change. The emperor was reinstated as sovereign, and he took the name Meiji. Restoration sounds like you are going back, making things look how they used to look, like old cars polished and sopped up to look like a new again. However, the Meiji Restoration was a total invention of Japan.
There were three main causes of Meiji Restoration: instability politics, outside pressure, and Japan started building kokutai. Kokutai means national essence. The idea of nationalism and the national state was growing. It's easy to assume that national states have always existed, but they didn't really until the 19th century.
These causes makes the dissatisfaction toward shogunate government rise.
With the help of foreigners, however, Tokugawa lost his power and the emperor was restored to the supreme position, and this event was known as Meiji Restoration.
Because of Meiji Restoration, Japanese business sector was quickly industrialized. To acquire widespread education led the new Japanese company to adapt foreign technology.